a legend. I'm a legend. I'm a legend.
Hey guys, Brian here from Thumper Fab. Today I'm going to walk you through installing our new hood basket for HD11 Defender. For the first step, we're going to go ahead and mount our A-pillar basket mounting brackets. You'll have two different options for how you mount these. If you have a Defender that does not have doors, you'll have to use this small insert bracket that'll insert into the frame where the factory door striker fastens to the roll cage. Here you can see the model we're doing our installation on has the door strikers, so we'll remove these two bolts to fasten our basket mounting brackets. If you do not have the door strikers, you'll slide this bracket in this opening provided in the roll cage, and with the weld nuts on the back, it'll provide a mounting location for our A-pillar mounting brackets. We'll go ahead and use a T40 Torx to remove the OEM fasteners that hold the striker bracket to the roll cage. Since our model has the doors and striker bracket, we're going to reuse the OEM hardware that threads into the OEM striker bracket. If your model was not fit with doors from the factory, you'll use the Thumper Fab supplied bracket in place of the striker bracket. This will also mean you won't have the mounting hardware that we'll be using to fasten our brackets. So you'll use the M8x20 flange head screws located in the hardware kit to fasten your A-pillar basket mounting brackets to our inner bracket that'll be located inside the roll cage. We're ready to mount our A-pillar mounting bracket to the vehicle. Like I stated before, since the vehicle is equipped with doors, we're going to reuse the OEM hardware. You'll simply hold the bracket in position and thread it into the OEM striker bracket. You may need to readjust your striker to get your door to properly close and open once the installation is complete. With our bolts started, we can go ahead and tighten them back up with our T40 Torx. Like I stated before, if your model is equipped with doors, you may need to adjust the height of your striker to allow your doors to properly open and close, but we can revisit that after the installation of the basket. With our driver's side bracket tight, we'll go ahead and repeat the process for the passenger side, and then we can move on. Here in my hand, I have the Thumper Fab mounting bracket for the HD11 hood basket kit. This will fasten to the bull bar up under the holes located on the underside of the bull bar. Before you install your Thumper Fab bumper mounting bracket for your HD11 hood basket, you'll want to insert the carriage bolts facing up and cap them off with one of our star nuts to hold them in place, so that once we have our bumper mounting bracket fully tightened to our bumper, we can remove the nuts and set our other remaining mounting hardware on top before finally setting our basket down on our brackets. We'll fasten our Thumper Fab bumper mounting bracket using the 1/4 inch hardware that's located in the hardware kit. You'll want to feed the button head up into the bull bar from the underside before capping it off with our nylon lock nut. Once you get these started, you can go ahead and snug them up using a 5/32 Allen and a 7/16 wrench. So here we have our lower mounting bracket for the hood basket. If you're mounting the hood basket on HD11 with an OEM bumper, you'll use these brackets as opposed to the one that we've already mounted to our Thumper Fab bumper bull bar. These brackets will go around the OEM bull bar and tab into this lower mount bracket before getting fastened to the bracket here where you can see the square hole with a carriage bolt and one of our wing nuts. Since on this installation we're doing it on a Thumper Fab bumper, we don't need these brackets. We'll just use this lower and upper portion of the front basket mounting brackets. You'll slide the lower mounting bracket around the upper mounting bracket. You want to make sure it's fully seated. You'll be able to tell by these slots lining up. We'll go ahead and loosely install our carriage bolts that'll fasten these two brackets together and get ready to mount it on the vehicle. When you're fastening these two brackets together, you'll want to loosely snug it up so the carriage bolt stays in place, but not so tight that we can't adjust it once on the vehicle. Once we like how the basket's sitting, we can return and fully tighten these fasteners. With our front basket mounting brackets assembled together, I'll come and remove our star nuts off the carriage bolts as they're located in place now. And we'll set our front mounting bracket down onto the carriage bolts. You'll cap these off with our M8 lock nuts. Once you get these started, you can tighten it all the way up using a 13mm socket. With the help of a friend, you can go ahead and place the basket up onto our mount brackets. We'll rest the front of it on our front mount brackets, and we'll slide our carriage bolts to the outside to be ready to receive our star nuts. Once you get the bolt partially through your A-pillar mounting bracket, you can go ahead and thread your star nut on before moving on to our lower bolt hole and finally our front mount brackets. With our basket adjusted to a level that we're happy with, you'll install your carriage bolt from the inside of your front mount bracket so that your fastener is sticking up into your basket. You can cap it off with your threaded star nut. You can go ahead and tighten this down. Repeat the same for the second mounting hole. And then we can return and tighten all our hardware. The thing that's nice about the hood basket, we chose these star nut fasteners so that you can easily remove your hood basket without any tools. You'll simply remove the 6 wing nut fasteners. You can set the basket to the side and do any work under your hood that you need or any testing, and reinstall the basket again with no tools. An additional option, you can remove your 2 front star nuts as well as 1 star nut on each side of your A-pillar mounting brackets and flip the hood basket up like a hood so you can gain access to your hood. Depending on what kind of work you're doing though, it may be easiest just to fully remove the basket and then reinstall it once you're done. For the last step, you'll want to return and make sure all your fasteners are fully tightened and you're ready to hit the trails and enjoy your new Thumper Fab hood basket on your HD11 Defender.